Hello, in this video I'm gonna show how to provision an instance in the Google Cloud. As you can see, I am already logging in my account, and there are some instances that I have already created in different operating systems. In this video I'm gonna show how to provision an instance in Linux. As you can see, the status of the instances that I have created, they are different. The gray one, they are already stopped, which means that they are not deleted, but they are in a stop status. And if I want to provision them, I'm gonna have problems. And the green one is instance that is in running status. As you can see, when it's running, it has even an external IP. So the first thing before you start provisioning an instance is to make sure that your instance is in the running status, and in this way it's going to allow you to provision through different kind of methods. I'm going to show some methods that I use to provision my instances. The first one that I might not use that often, but is an option, especially if you are running through problems in your operating system, or if you are working in a terminal, or you are trying to provision your instance in a computer or in another PC that doesn't have all the necessary installation in your terminal to provision the Google Cloud. It is a nice option to connect with your instance. So through connection, the connection through the browser, it takes some time, depends on how often, or depends even in the connection of the internet. This is a way how you can connect in the terminal. As you can see now, the provision is done successfully. You can see the username, and also you see even the name of the instance that you are provisioning, and you can work normally and do different homeworks or different projects in your browser. Another method that I use is the gcloud command. So as you can see, this is the option, view gcloud command. This is a copy paste of the command that allows you to connect to your terminal. But before using this command, we have to see that you have to make sure that in the terminals that you are using, you have installed the gcloud CDK. I'm going to show through the Ubuntu, which is the WSL in my Windows. As you can see, the Ubuntu, if I click gcloud version, it shows that the Google Cloud SDK is already installed. It shows even the version and some detailed information about the package. If the gcloud is not installed in your Ubuntu or in the other terminals, then you cannot connect with a gcloud command in your terminal. There are some tutorials that shows how to install the gcloud, the Google Cloud SDK in your terminal. If you are having problems, feel free to write to me, and I am very happy to help with the process of the installation. So since the Google Cloud SDK is installed, I'm gonna try to execute. I copy, make sure to copy, and then I run in my terminal, and as you can see, the provision is performed successfully, and is the username of my terminal and also the name of the instance. Now I have already provisioned my instance, and I can run normally my command, or I can run different projects in this instance. The other way is through your Windows system. Since the Google Cloud SDK needs to be installed in the terminal, the thing that I have been doing is that I have installed a shell, a Google Cloud SDK shell for the Windows. This terminal is dedicated for the Google Cloud services. so you can connect different projects or different instances. In this case, I'm going to provision the instance first since it's running, and it makes very easy because I don't have to worry about comparing with AWS, that I have to worry about the K, giving permissions to the K. And there are a few steps that maybe you might have to write several times the same command. Meanwhile, in Google Cloud, you just have to copy paste. If you have installed the Google SDK, you have just to copy paste this gcloud command and run it. In the moment that you run, it might take some time. As you can see, now I have provisioned my instance, and I'm gonna work normally in my instance and run all the requirements of the homework. So these are some of the methods that I use through my laptops that runs the operating system Windows 10, and also I have installed even the WSL Ubuntu to provision instances or different projects that I run in Google Cloud. If you have any question or if you want additional help, please feel free to write in my mail or to share your concerns. So I will be very happy to help you. Thank you.